we're doing another snack today. Peewee flavored sizzling BBQ.
Barbecue.
BBQ. BBQ. We did not bring our scissors with us, so unfortunately I am going to have to.
Natural way of opening it.
And it's not working.
Daddy can help.
Got it. Okay, they kind of just look like, I don't know. They just look like this. They kind of taste like clover. They're good.
What do you think, Chat?
Good. It's really good. A little bit I see Max. She sees something. Anyway, thanks for watching.
What's the flavor?
Barbecue.
Yeah,
Yeah,
how's it taste? Does it taste like barbecue?
not really.
What does it taste like?
It tastes good. A little bit. It tastes peas.
Is it spicy?
No.
It tastes like, what is that, a bug? It's
You're
okay.
okay.
It's okay.
You want to get
Anyway.
it again, or is that the last time you want to have it?
I would definitely get this again. It's really good. I was scared. Anyway, so yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Yeah, thanks for watching. We have some shout outs today. We have Sir Uto Richard. He is a friend of my mom's. We have Sir Joe Malone. And then we have actually my friend's channel from school, Donna and Friend. She is a very close friend of mine, so go show her some love and support. And yeah, like, hit that subscribe, hit the bell, and all that good stuff. Anyway, bye. Thanks for watching. Bye. ChaCha, do you want to do the outro? Yes. Okay, go ahead and do it.
What do you say?
Thank you.
And subscribe.
And hit the bell and like.
Okay. What are we going to say?
Thank you.
Thank you for supporting our channel.
Bye. Bye.